Alright, open up the Sunstone Companion Pro. Packaging off. Got it out of the box, and we're going to show you what it comes with. You've got your red rubber Sear grips if you want them instead of the black. The grill cover comes with it, the handle for the lid, lights, and LP regulator, or NG depending on how you want it. Alright, we got everything out. Now we'll kind of go over the grill for you. We're going to show you what makes this the best grill on the market. Alright, Companion Pro, like the Ruby grills and the hybrid charcoal grills, has lights that light up the front face with the touch of a button. You are cruising through the night in style. Also, what's different about the Sear burner Companion Pro versus a regular double side burner is it has baffles, vents in the rear. Open and shut to let any excess heat out that you need to protect your outdoor kitchen. Make sure you have no problems, and it'll last for a long time. Alright, now we're going to show you all the different things the Companion Pro can do. Number one is a great searer with Sear burners, and you can actually directly grill on here if you want it. We're going to lift up the 304 stainless steel bar grates, reveal the flavorizers underneath, which keeps flare-ups down and makes your smoke flavor. Alright, here's the power source. It's two big-time infrared burners to make the Companion Pro a one-of-a-kind on the market. We'll show you all the different inserts and things that you can do. Alright, we're going to show you how to insert the charcoal tray. That's right, a charcoal tray, so you can grill on your Companion Pro. First, you have 4 bolts inside that need to be removed. You do that by using an Allen wrench. Alright, he's using a number 5 Allen wrench to remove these. Alright, we've got all 4 of the bolts removed. Now we're going to put the charcoal tray in. There you go. Charcoal sits on the bed of stainless steel, all the perforations for airflow. And you put your rack right back on. You can use the burners to light your charcoal, and then you are ready to go. Alright, we're back with the Companion Pro. We're going to show you another insert you could use with the sear grate. There you go. You want to reverse sear your steaks, you want to do chicken, shrimp, seafood, you want to impress that significant other, you just did it with the Companion Pro. Alright, we're going to show you one of the Companion Pro inserts. This is the griddle. It's all 304 stainless steel griddle with drip tray, and our griddle is also coated with a special coating. Makes it more non-stick and impervious to rust. That's not your everyday side burner. Alright, this next insert is the 304 stainless steel fryer, and also you can steam with it. So it comes with the basket, the handles easily put it on. Large basket. You can take the basket out, pull out the perforated stainless steel bottom, and you put your oil in, or put it in the bottom and just put your liquids underneath, and you can steam your vegetables.